Totokikikidsstudy. Hello kids, welcome back. Today we will learn alphabets and numbers. And I have some colors for you. Let's learn colors name. This is violet color. This is green color. This is orange color. This is red color. This is yellow color. This is brown color. And this is the sky color. Are you guys ready? Let's start. A is for avocado. B is for banana. C is for cute. D is for doll. E is for eagle. F is for fig. G is for garden. H is for honey. I is for ink. J is for jam. K is for kite. L is for leg. M is for mouth. N is for neck. O is for oil. P is for passport. Q is for question. R is for rank. S is for star. T is for tune. U is for unicorn. V is for violin. W is for wand. X is for xylophone. Y is for yacht. Z is for zucchini. Now we will learn numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Bye bye. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.